The world has moved. We can't be trapped in yesterday. We must have tomorrow. And that tomorrow is what I'm offering. We can't use the process of yesterday. We can't use those who didn't do it yesterday to solve tomorrow. They don't know what it is all about. And it's not going to be the same thing. If they know, we won't be here. So government can be applying for a job where he has been in charge and dropped this car to a ditch. The car is having a problem, has engine problem, and you see saying you can continue driving it. It will not work. You're going to kill everybody. I'm not going to allow you to do that. The job requires physical and mental energy. 24 hours. Because we're not in a mess. If it was normal, we can manage it. But where we are now, it doesn't require any management. It requires the driver, the captain must be clear. He must be in charge. I will be in charge. I will make sure it works. In our country, people don't do what is expected. They do what is expected. I will be there. I turned around the education. I didn't change the teachers. But I turned it around from 26, number 1. We didn't change the teachers. One change that I was there. I visited 500 and something schools. Everybody had my phone number. We need to cut cost of governance. People waste time here. You see local government chairman leave local government for 2 weeks. You see governor stay there. What are you doing? See governors and people accompanying people. Go and ask them, no commissioner in Anambra State ever saw me off to the airport or welcomed me to the airport. When I was coming here this morning, I got telling Kesh, he said, I said, Kesh, so let's go here. He said, where are we going with? I said, they invited me alone. They didn't say me and Tim. So okay, woman leader is around, let him go with us. So we can be 3 or 4. We must shut this because these all these things you see are at the cost that we need to fix schools. Why will the governor be accompanying the president to be going around? Doesn't he have a job to do? They should stay there and talk to the local governments and the communities within the state. That's what we need. We need a new government. We need a new place. We cannot continue this old way. It will not work. What they are telling you is to give us the chance to continue the same thing. No. It must change. I'm not going to build a school. The job of a leader is not to build a school. I'm not going to complain. It's not the job of a leader. And I won't remind Nigerians of their past. Because if the past was good, you won't hire me. You are hiring me for the future. And I'm going to deal with the future.